We are live from the King Fahd International Stadium, Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. The hero Santosh Trophy steps on Saudi soil for the first time. We are here for the knockout stages, the semi-finals and the finals. And right now it's time for semi-final number one. It's Punjab and Meghalaya who have made their way to this final showdown. There's the lineup of Punjab head coach Harjinder Singh, and there's the lineup for Meghalaya. They go with the 4-3-3 as well. Punjab have history on their side. They've reached the final 16 times, and they'll attempt Saudi Arabia. And there's two captains here, Prolington and Rajat Kumar. And underway with history making. Jung Bahadur. As the third minute of the game seems like plenty has been played. He was eyeing for a shot and blocked quickly. And now from distance, and that's a great save by Shamsher Singh. What a shot that. Off the bar there. Just takes a touch of the keeper. Delivery towards the far post. Punched out by Rajat Paul. A shooting opportunity, and that's deflected. Punjab have the lead. It is the first taste of goal for hero Santosh Trophy in Saudi Arabia. And the punch from Rajat Paul needed to be better. And then the shot precise, a bit of luck with the deflection working in their favour. Paramjeet's shot, well, was there even a deflection? But whatever it is, and the first goal coming from Punjab, and it's Paramjeet Singh who has done the early damage. Good number of passes in this build-up move. A free kick there once again for Meghalaya. Challenged from behind by Good Tejas, pushed down. You cannot use your hands. He has to be aware. Towards the far post again, nudged back, and that's the equalizer. He has surely stayed onside, and it's Figo Sindai. It's all level once again. The plan executed to perfection. It was cushioned back from that header for Sheen. But then on the far post, tapped in home. And wonderfully done. Another angle to that. Right in position. And that's why you need to keep your eyes on the ball. Can these set of players make an impact here before they go into the break? Sheen very well might. Takes us to his left. Delivers a great cross. The header is perfect. And it's cleared away by Good Tej, I believe. Look at that again. Sheen with one step over to the left. And a perfect cross. A basic striker's header. And just needed to direct it goalwards. Enough from Good Tej. Beautiful football from Meghalaya. And it's half-time here at the King Fahd International Stadium, Riyadh. It is 1-1 between Punjab and Meghalaya. Gaurav has come in to replace Deepak Kumar, and we are underway with second 45 minutes. It's Punjab in yellow, attacking from right to left. Kamaldeep, a first bit of trick for him. And he has won a free kick here for Punjab. And just the first minute of second half, and there's where Punjab quickly launched counter-attacks. He stayed onside. Kamaldeep, one of the most dangerous of the lot. He'll go for goal. Well, the near post was his target area. It was covered cleanly by Rajat Paul Lingdo. There's issues to deal with there on the other side of the pitch. But what a bright move there. Plenty of time left right now. 25 minutes. That's a great touch. Jung Bahadur can make it 2-1. Still a chance for Punjab. And this time the shot goes well wide. And what a chance. It goes begging there. It's a good save, tell you what. A great pass. Look at that pass. Marginally onside there. It is Alan Lingto. His deliveries have been troubling the Punjab defense time and again. The header comes in and saved. Quickly down was Shamsher Singh. What a great set piece that should have been 2-1. Great save. Quickly down there. And no foul, says the ref surely. Cleanly won the ball. And finally, the whistle will be blown. In defense, it's a yellow card for Kamaldeep. There's why. He was pushed down and won the ball back. Meghalaya fairly. And then probably. Donald again. Can Meghalaya turn the fixture around? Goes for a shot and what a stunner! Absolutely magical there from Sheen. And that celebration says it all. And Punjab's hopes have been shut down with that last minute strike. And look at that again. Turnbuck with the assist with his left. A glorious moving beauty with his left. And perfect finish. And Meghalaya have turned it around from being 1-0 down. Beautifully done. To the side netting, of course, inside the net. And no chance. Can't be more precise. And all the hard work. It's Sheen, Stevenson, Saptung. But there's still time. But Meghalaya have the ball. And it is all over here in semi-final number 1. It is history created for Meghalaya. For the first time ever. They have made it to the finals of the Hero Santosh Trophy. They'll be disappointed. They'll have another game to play though. They'll have the 3rd place to fight for. But then, it is all for the championships. Players mixed with experienced players as well in their squad.